Hi friends. So today I'm going to talk about factor 1 of OFSALIKE qualities. Factor 1 basically it means planning and organizing. It hints towards your head or your brain, your thinking capabilities and your data processing capabilities, just the way we say these days. So in a nutshell, are you a good speaker and a good organizer? That's exactly what it hints from factor 1. Factor 1 has got 4 OFSALIKE qualities. Effective intelligence, which has got 2 sub-qualities, practical intelligence and resourcefulness. Effective intelligence basically means the intelligence utilized in coping up with practical situations of varying complexity. And practical intelligence basically means that how you can use the resources and किसी एक practical situation में मैं अगर फंस गया तो वहां से बाहर कैसे निकलूंगा या फिर उस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व करूंगा. And this resourcefulness is basically how would you organize the resources to the best of your abilities in that particular situation. Basically, Hindi mein it's called as jugaad. Then the second quality is reasoning ability, which has got 4 sub-qualities: receptivity, inquiring attitude, logical reasoning, and seeing the essentials of the problem. This basically hints at your your inquiring attitude and your receptivity. Basically your interest, attention and grasping power when you are exposed to absorb new impressions. मेरे को कितना इंटरेस्ट है मेरे इर्द गिर्द मेरे आसपास क्या चल रहा है उस चीज के बारे में जानने का, and then apply that knowledge to actually come to some kind of a conclusion without having falling prey to emotional factors. So basically coming to conclusion strictly on the basis of logical reasoning. And then seeing the essentials of the problem is basically an eagle's eye view of what's the problem about, and then you get into the details and depth of it, and then you can further correlate exactly kya hai, what's the situation about, and then you can get into the situation के अंदर क्या क्या resources है उसको मैं कैसे organize करूँ इस problem को solve करने के लिए. So that from there it flows to the third quality, which is called as the organizing ability. It's basically organizing the resources in a standard fashion so that you can come up to a workable practical solution of a problem. And then last but not the least, the fourth quality is the power of expression. Basically how you're able to express your ideas and viewpoints with adequate ease and clarity. So this was all about factor 1. For more such interesting content on SSB, subscribe. I'm sure this is going to be useful to you when you appear for your next SSB or the AFSB. Thank you.